Come here, Pogo. He might look familiar. That's because some people out there keep parrots just like him as pets. But you know what, Phil? The truth is, parrots are really tough pets.
Really?
Oh yeah, for a variety of reasons. But one of the main being is their incredibly loud voice. Let's see if you'll show it off today. You ready? Here we go. Your scream. Your scream. Here we go. And your scream. We're screaming. Here we go. Your scream. Not your itch. Your scream. Here we go. Keep going. Keep going. One more. There we go. Pretty loud, right? Oh yeah. Thank you. It's obnoxious is the point, but it's beneficial in the wild. You see, parrots, they scream to warn flockmates to predators, things like hawks and owls, and eagles and snakes and lions and tigers. Lions and tigers and bears, don't lie. Okay. And it must be because of predators, right? That's why there's so many species going extinct. No? Wait a second. I don't think you heard me. Pogo, I was saying it's because of predators. That's why there's so many species going extinct. Okay. Okay, smart guy. If it's not predators, who is it? Wait. You're saying it's me? No. I think I get it though. I get it. You mean human. Yes, human. Okay. It makes sense. It must be some of the problems humans can cause. Things like pollution, habitat loss, or what is this? I don't know what that is. No. Some of the problems humans can cause. Things like pollution and habitat loss. Are you okay? Okay, listen. This is important. You should pay attention. Pollution, habitat loss. All right, Pogo. Look. What? Will you listen to me? I think we're getting somewhere, people. Pogo, I know that these things are out of control. People are starting to realize it now, and they're even doing something about it. So tell everybody here, what do you think about that? All right. Good to know. Good to know. I'm going to tell you a little secret. Pogo's very smart. He is super smart, but he doesn't know exactly what I'm saying. He knows cues. For example, if I want Pogo to say yes. That's new. That's fun. Come all the way up here. If I want Pogo to say yes, all I have to do is wait for him to finish that treat, and then I just cross my hands. There you go. It's just a flick of my right arm. There. You like that? We'll do it again. This one. Yeah. If I take my right arm and I toss it out to the side, I get this. I don't know what that is. But he really likes doing it. Okay. And we're going to end with some verbal cues. He likes to do these too. All right. Here we go. We're going to end with some verbal cues. Once you're done with your treats. You ready? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Look. Ah. Okay, let's start over. I don't know what he's doing. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Okay. Look. Listen. Say goodbye. Goodbye. That was